Welfare projects, Chief Minister N. Biren inaugurates and lays foundation stone for various projects in Lilong, assures of welfare schemes worth 112 crore rupees for Lilong. Congress slams BJP, MPCC leaders lambast BJP government for not walking the talks and of politicizing religion to woo voters. Justice for victims, Desam urges government to provide befitted compensation to student victims of wrong mark devolution of 2018 HSLC examination by BOSEM. Pleading for better road, Quata villagers warned to block National Highway 102 in Falmoret Road if the village road is not repaired by January 5. Promoting farmers, Minister T.H. Shyamkumar inaugurates first ever Marai Nakupi Festival, assures of organic manure for Chad's farmers. And victory for the home team. Neroka FC beat one of Bengal's eminent football club, Mohan Bagan, to 1 in the 12th edition Hero League match. Hello and welcome to Impact News, watching Primetime English News. I'm Kanguzam Shalira with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Chief Minister N. Biren has laid the foundation stone for various upcoming projects apart from inaugurating a number of projects at Lilong in Thoubal district today. The Chief Minister laid the foundation stone for Meitei Pangal Ima market shade worth around 433.90 lakh rupees and inaugurated a primary health center at Lilong Bazaar. He also opened a skill development training for ITI at Lilong Hauribi College ground and inaugurated a 100-bedded hostel each for boys and girls and laid the foundation stones for a Taukong Mini Dam Lilong 100-bedded hostel at Residential School Lilong and upgradation of Residential School Lilong. Addressing a huge gathering at Lilong Hauribi College ground, the Chief Minister declared that inauguration and foundation stone laying of different projects at Lilong was the beginning of various other developmental works to be executed in other Meitei Pangal dominated areas of the state. He announced that the state government would take up various developmental works and welfare schemes worth rupees 112 crore in Lilong constituency alone. The Chief Minister also stated that the Go to Village program will give priority on education sector from New Year onwards, and necessary measures will follow to improve the condition of schools and colleges, including filling up of necessary staff and infrastructure.
Sub-divisional hospital ki thakat piyo na hain se kuire nasa ki feasibility to sum yengba adu phal la ponina niom da dikhra leiba adu waina minority singi maroina muslim isin naw singi nupi angang singla leiba reservation ketang madu specially khana re ka da phane cabinet madu dawro ka da masimadi namna mathang lai ba sahi gi sidagi di sub-divisional hospital wongkhat na tawro si hadna adu made ko decision lawre Muslim sing taba khun sinda ko chatlaga loina masigi survey report ki matungina ngasi tawri basmaina yum leitebana kayano larik tamba ngamdabana kayano anaba laing mangamdabana kayano gas phamdabana kayano haibla singma mayam se ekoi mathang sathara
Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee has observed the 133rd Foundation Day of Indian National Congress at Congress Bhavan, BT Road today. Congress leaders of the state have lambasted the BJP government on the occasion. Former Chief Minister Ibobi mocked at promises made by BJP leaders, including the Prime Minister, for taking up various developmental works, including construction of national highways and sports university in the state, are yet to be seen. He claimed that Congress during its rule always kept its promises. He also condemned the BJP state and central governments of not walking the talks. Ibopi accused the BJP government of proclaiming those almost completed works initiated by the Congress during its rule as its own. CWC member and former Deputy Chief Minister Gai Khangam asserted that Congress party is a party favored and loved by the people. He also alleged the BJP of trying to woo voters by politicizing religion. He maintained that the Congress party always care for the welfare of the people, irrespective of whether in power or not. Gai Khangam also criticized the BJP government of trying to mislead the apex court of the Supreme Court, country Supreme Court, while MPCC President T.N. Haokip expressed optimism of Congress regaining its power by winning the upcoming MP election both in the state and at the center. He maintained that Congress party is a party that abides by the Indian Constitution and espouses communion harmony.
%10 lower Chief Minister, Manipur Chief Minister, Prime Minister, masama meeting like the public meeting da. Housing labor government say, kanano corruption toriba hanagi do dagi hujing na kaya laure se Manipur praja singna set na khangi Manipur praja singna dum bisar torsun. Ade Chief Minister ki haksien ki tengbang hai state ki hospital khangde amada lemna yengu hai bataragadi madugi darkar leiba test tawda sangba x-ray khangde or hidak langtak khangde lemna pibata adudi hidak langtak tudi matam chana piraktrabanina hujikti mayam hospital mayam si adum thonglon bai phiamda haibidi free da tawgadaba test tawgadaba mayam do ama bhauchu tawdreba katan bhawon laina ba paisa leitre haidna hujik hospital singsi ayam ba paralyzed tawga maming dagi Chief Minister gi haksel gi tengbang adagi center da laukthoi si lauktoktam lauktokpa what oida di yorokta 10
For unit Subkangli upon Basinpan Plupt, Kasil in collaboration with Mayay Loisang will organize the mass rally on December 29 to press the government and IMC to resolve the ongoing crisis between street and licensed vendors of Kwaramban market. MLA Kundrakpam T.H. Lokeshwar has mocked BJP as a record-breaker government. He also said the government set a new record of segregating ruling and opposition parties while undertaking developmental works. He was speaking today at the inaugural ceremony of Sinam Multipurpose Community Hall and a new building of Sinam Youth Development Club, both constructed under MLA Local Area Development Fund in Kundrakpam constituency. MLA Lokeshwar stated that the previous state government, unlike the present BJP government, aimed for overall development of all the constituencies without emphasizing much on ruling and opposition party. He also alleged that the BJP-led state government does not permit MLAs of Congress party during go-to-village programs. MLA Lokeshwar assured to do his best for upgrading Kundrakpam constituency into a model constituency despite lack of cooperation from the present government.
Ngasage akho yawbo yaro sibu karma makal go to village no khangdi ado what is the benefit of go to village MLA local MLA be yawbo yaro haigala ba dagi ngasagi kari haitara ne akhogi jila parsikumba akhogi congress nang man kham to yawbo yaro di handagi sakade pura pure karma makal sana no khangde aduna adumudik disturb to development to disturb maximum tawi masi handagi sakaje haidi MLA amna kene to padan thawak chang hona ba sarkar ju ijat ne koi sakade pirakpa phangmam tokpa hak mayam je amata mangandana hona jabase amaronda handagi sarkar je cooperation bimum to adu hojiti opposition ngang khuding simode yengna boidang khanbase masi khwaide lebakti aduga
MLA Kakching Yangkhom Surchandra has assured to continue taking up welfare activities for Kakching district. He was speaking today in the inaugurance of Kakching Kontran Mandap and a shrine constructed under MLA Local Area Development Fund. MLA Y. Surchandra stated that Kakching is the only place in Manipur where development works are taken up properly. Chairperson of Kakching Municipal Council, Naurem Sanjit Kumar, Vice Chairperson KSH Jalzit, proprietor of KSH Baikul Oil Pump, KSH Krishna Das, and many people attended the event. Desam has urged the government to provide befitted compensation to the student victims of wrong mark stipulation of BOSIM HSLC examination 2018. It also demanded to award observed marks to the student. Speaking to media at Desam office in Sagolban, Moirang Clerak today, Desam Secretary General Sital Oinam appreciated the termination of Secretary of BOSIM, Akam Joy Kumar, and Controller of BOSIM, Laishram Fulchand, by an order of the Commissioner of Education S.H. Dilip yesterday. The Commissioner's decision followed the submission of a report by three-member inquiry committee which proved the allegations of wrong mark stipulation put forth by Desam on behalf of the victim party. Desam also appealed to change the restrictions imposed on re-evaluation of examination conducted by BOSIM.
Board ki aswoiba leire haiba khangduna miyam mamangda miyam khangna board ki secretary amadi controller serak pirabanina ngasagi board ki aswoibana victim horaba mahiroi singda karma makhangi Manipur government na compensation pigadori haibado Desam na hangjari board ki hojik leiriba system da ekhoi re evaluation yadaba re checking khak yabagi thong asi masi samdokodobani masi na paikha thariba mahiroi sing sigi right chi koi tangkhai ama matpuga samane.
Residents and authority of Quota village in Technopole district have warned to block National Highway number 102 Infalt Morit Road if the 7-kilometer stretch of road leading to Quota village is not repaired by January 5. The decision was taken during a public meeting held in the village yesterday. Quota villagers also warned to halt all the ongoing development works in the village if their demand is not met. Speaking to media, Chairman of Quota Village, Angom Ango, stated that Works Minister T.H. Biswazit visited the village and assured of repairing the road at the earliest. Angom said the Chief Engineer of PWD, while attending the Quota Festival, also promised to complete blacktopping of the road by the end of this year. The village chairman expressed discontentment at the minister and the officials for befooling the villagers by not repairing the road till date.
Koi hangarang nan da joy koi ki meeting manung da BWD gi adu development kiting mi laga koi yin sin bi re adu koi ikai khum na ba koi ki baban da saib na masa mang na so koi community hon da meeting taw re ga soi de na koi ji kolas thabi gi ni na wachak ga lo na to biram bane adu hojik phau manung jo lambi ji set pa ya de na koi ji nu ju tha ya ro pom tam je da koi yam na awa mo re koi them lo ga adu angang macha mithai pi je la ga thanam magum na kunja sing je jum thaw
Youth Forum for Protection of Human Rights in the press release strongly condemned Infalt East Women Police Station for failing to arrest Muhammad Hassan, the rape accused of a 13-year-old minor girl in Thawal district last August. The forum urged the concerned DCP to take necessary actions against OC of the Infalt East Women Police Station and investigating officers of the case. Local residents have today condemned the arrest of one Taurem Manikomba from Ka Potsamom Mayalekai in Bisnupur district by Porompat police on December 26. He was arrested in connection with the mob lynching of Moirangtem Irabot early this year on March 7 on the last day of Nompok Ningtho Panthevi Harauba in Yeripok Top Jinta. The protesters chanted various slogans against the arrest during the sit-in stays at Ka Potsamom ground. They have the warrant of intense extradition if Taurem Manikomba is not released by December 31st.
Manikomba ji laigi thabak thoram tawdona ma che leijabani adudaida mana mabu mi hatle hadana jenabi se asidi moigi khungang moigi na tawraga hatpani aduga Karigi the Maktamabu, Maralay had an Hazan Birino, Masito Vigano, a two womatam the Matado Pinaba, the Koi Makataba, Kalakan Bakondon Kojanchilan.
District Magistrate Thawal says it has been ordered to conduct a magisterial inquiry to ascertain the involvement of Assam Rifles and Thawal Commando into the killing of Muhammad Abdul Ghaffar alias Saeed, 40 years from Lilong Tamyai. District Magistrate Thawal in the press release welcomes any relevant information on the case till January 5. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on the launch of first ever 3-day long Chives Festival in the state. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. Forest and Environment Minister T.H. Shyam Kumar has inaugurated the first ever Maroi Nakupi Festival today. Progressive Farmers Foundation organized the 3-day long Chives Festival at Manipur Center. Speaking in the event, Minister Shyam Kumar assured to include funds for the festival in the state budget from next year to promote cultivation of chives and its variant. He also urged farmers to utilize paddy fields post-harvest to cultivate various seasonal vegetables. Minister Shyam Kumar assured of providing organic manure from the Horticulture Department for cultivating chives in Kurai constituency. The minister also presented 50,000 rupees to Progressive Farmers Foundation on the occasion.
Festival is not London City Dominion. I know with Northern Mahapuna, Manipur government, or the Minister of Tanjil Manglan, state government as again, Amadi, honorable MLA Prime Country Manglan, could put him in a Tanjariba, Louisiana, Tanjamiam, Mang only has a sinuna, hand a Potosi Potona, the Potosi Potobacanda, Tanamaganda, Senor Samatagalibo, but the Patana Lisa Sambila, Progressive Farmers Foundation Sambila Kanda, honorable MLA Tobilakanda. But the government is focused on the Pin of Monazaki. Maroi Tabiba, if on Gremiam, is Asumiam, Maroi, Massima Samuel, between the Bilosi Paro. And Maroina, Nipizia, I don't know. Was the last busy. The last busy machine of the Tokyo at Biltogi. Manipur can sell over the party to nameless. The Pizzic Nabinas, and the Simadi, I appeal to the media to the people of Manipur. Please stop swing tobacco ban.
Attending the festival, MLA Kurai draw assured of efforts to ensure a celebration of the festival at the state level from next year. He said desires to celebrate Nakupi Festival arose before 2012 election in acknowledgement of the herb much loved by people of the state since modern times for its distinct flavor. He assured of measures to facilitate chives farmers for obtaining manure. The MLA also disclosed that the farmers producing the highest amount of vegetables will be awarded on the last day of the festival. MLA Susindra presented 1,20,000 rupees to be utilized for smooth running of the festival.
Isinggi scheme je koi da arela isi loi leire phamungi leire adi kangla gi leire adagi morang musaje ki leire ahumuk leire leiba ahumuk se koi chalai da bu wada ni akoi ngasi chalai ba se diesel hapaga di akoi paisa yam tingi aduna akoi honorable chief minister da so aina mo da hai gre request ogre ma da so piningi aduna hojik akoi motor electric motor ji toroga nomogi pung ani ni thabra ahum thabra toroga koi gi maroi thari ba singduna punna Tagi Gasna di Tizaba. Adagi government desu exemption to we aba hadi mai du Gasna de exemption to we abo gana akuna to biba. Adamai to organa adu mo plan ho tori.
Manipur Organic Mission Agency MOMA was conferred the prestigious Javik India Award 2018 by International Competence Center for Organic Agriculture at Hotel Regency Hyatt, New Delhi today. The award was handed over by Union Minister of Commerce Suresh Prabhu to Director of the Department of Horticulture and Soil Conservation K. Gibgant and Project Director of MOMA Devdatta Sharma for promoting organic products. Kada in a press release expressed grief upon the demands of Finance Secretary of Apunba Manipur Kanba Imalop Amkil Oinam Ongbi Sumati from Nambol Oinam. Kuki Inpi Kumpipa Thanko Sehaukip has passed away due to cardiac arrest at around 1:30 this afternoon at the age of 62. He was admitted to RIMS after he complained of uneasiness today. Thankon Sait was an eminent leader of various organizations of Kuki community and was the former president of Kuki Inpi Manipur. The late leader is survived by one daughter and his wife. Lamlai Block Congress Committee, Lamlai Kendra Youth Development Committee and Hill Areas Development Committee under the initiative of social workers, Achoibam Deven jointly presented Christmas and New Year gifts to 13 Kili villages in Lamlai constituency today. Youth Welfare Club Tambalkhong observed its 63rd Foundation Day today. MLA Khetrigao Nahakpam Indrajit, former MLA of the constituency, T.H. Nandakishore, President of the Youth Welfare Club, L. Bizoy, Upa-Adhiksha of the Imphal East, K.S.H. Dam, Pradhan of Tambalkhong Gram Panchayat, K. Roma, Pradhan of Nahar Gram Panchayat, Patrick Golmay and local residents attended the event. Attendees paid floral tributes at the portrait of late executive members of the club and also planted 3 saplings in and around the club to mark the observance. Multuk Battalion of 26th Sector Assam Rifles under the aegis of IGAR South organized a free medical camp at Mohilpung village yesterday. Regimental medical officer checked out more than 200 individuals and provided free medicines in the camp. Now the sports news. Neraka FC defeated one of Bengal's eminent football club, Mohan Bagan, 2-1 today in a match of the ongoing 12th edition Hero I League at Kuman Lampak Men's Stadium. For the winners, Brazilian defender Eduardo Ferreira and Australian Aaron Clint Williams scored 1 goal each at the 24th and 69th minute of the match. The lone goal of the losing team was netted by striker Henry Keseka at the 63rd minute of the match. Neraka FC's Brazilian defender Eduardo Ferreira was awarded the Hero of the Match title. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Welfare and Biren inaugurates and lays foundation stone for various projects in Lilong, assures of welfare schemes worth 112 crore rupees for Lilong. Congress claims BJP MP CC leaders lambast BJP government for not walking the talks and of politicizing religion to woo voters. Justice for victims. Desam urges government to provide befitted compensation to students victims of wrong mark stabilization of 2018 HSLC examination by Botson. Pleading for better road, Quata villagers warned to block National Highway 102 Imphal Morid Road if the village road is not repaired by January 5. Promoting farmers, Minister T.H. Syamkumar inaugurates first ever Marina Kopi Festival, a source of the organic manure for chives farmers. And victory for the home team. Neraka FC beat one of Bengal's eminent football club, Mohan Bagan, 2-1 in an 12th edition Hero I League match.